How to fix MSCTFUI.DLL missing error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Corrupted or missing system files often lead to the MSCTFUI.DLL error. To address this, follow the steps below.
Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.
After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
Restart your device to apply the changes.
if that didn't work,
If the MSCTFUI.DLL error appears when using a specific program, reinstalling that program might resolve the issue. Performing a Windows update will ensure that you have the latest fixes and patches, something that could fix a missing DLL problem with MSCTFUI.DLL.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.